This video will show you how to replace the AVR and brush assembly in your Westinghouse open frame generator. Tools required: a socket wrench. Turn off the fuel and run the engine dry. Make sure the engine is completely cool before working on your unit. Locate the alternator cover. Remove the bolts with the appropriate socket and remove the alternator cover. Locate the AVR, which will be in the lower left side. Your AVR may look different depending on your unit. Also, locate the brush assembly, which will be at the top held on by one bolt. If replacing the AVR, start by removing the two bolts holding the AVR. Then disconnect both wire connectors, and you may need to cut a few zip ties. Then locate the brush assembly. Make note of which wires are positive and negative, and gently remove the two wires connected to the brush assembly to remove the old AVR. Take your new AVR and reconnect both wire connectors. Reattach the wires to the brush assembly and secure the AVR in place with the two bolts. If replacing the brush assembly, keep the AVR in place and gently remove the two wires connected to the brush assembly. Then remove the brush assembly bolt, both using the appropriate socket, and remove the old brush assembly. Take your new brush assembly and align it correctly over the pin, and hold it in place against the spring tension while you replace the bolt. And make sure not to over-tighten the bolt. Then firmly reattach the wires. Tuck all the wires back into place and make sure nothing is being pinched, and replace the alternator cover and secure with the bolts. Your AVR and brush assembly replacement is complete. Always follow the safety guidelines in your operator's manual.